Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on the Latex. Today we will discuss about how we can install and set up the Latex or TeXmaker or any of the version for the Windows, Linux or the Mac are there. Myself Dr. Gar, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. So first of all, what is the Latex? So all of you know that Latex is a free software which is used under the terms of the LPPL, that is a Latex Project Public License are there. So it is a free software, you can download it freely from the Google or their respective websites. Latex is distributed through the C10 server. What is the C10 server? We will discuss here. So this Latex is distributed through this C10, and also it is distributed through the TUG, that is a tech user groups are there, or any of the third parties are there. So you can easily install and you can easily use their documents with the help of the C10 or the TU library is there. You can obtain the Latex from the C10 library, which is the primary source of the distribution for the Latex. So remember that C10 is the primary source, while these all other are the secondary sources are there. If you want to write any of the document in the Latex software, then definitely there is a need of the two things. One is called as the text editor and second is called as the text system. So there are so many text editors are there, and in order to use them in a very without any error are there, you have to download both this into your system. How you can download and how you can install them, we will discuss in detail each of them. So there are the several of the editors are available in the platforms are there, but the commonly used them are the TeXmaker, WinEdt, TeXstudio and the TeXworks are there. So I will discuss each of them one by one, how you can install and how you can use them. So firstly we will see what is the WinEdt. After that we will see what is the TeXmaker, and then we will see the TeXworks and so on. Apart from all these Latex editors, some online versions are also be there, so called as the Share Latex and the Overlay. In these days Share Latex is the part of the Overlay. So these Overlay are the online sources. You can use them as the online toolbox. Now let's discuss how we can download the WinEdt firstly. So firstly, how you can install the WinEdt. So for that, firstly, what is the WinEdt? It's one of the most powerful and versatile purpose used for the window, only for the window, remember that, and it is for the text editor. And what is the target of them? You can create as well as you can compile the Latex documents. So if you want to write any of the document in the window, you have to install the WinEdt. How you can use them, how you can download them, there are the two ways. First time is you can go to the Google and write WinEdt like here. Else you can use directly this link are there. I will put all those links in the description of this video. You can click on this and then go to the downloading. So what is the meaning of that? If I show you how you can download them, you can simply write the WinEdt on the Google. You can see that I can open for you. So you can click on the first link, that is the WinEdt. Once you click on the WinEdt, you will see what is the new updation are there. So new update is the 10.3 are there. How you can download them? You can either click on here, but it is not given here. It's whether the 32 bits or the 64 are there. So you can see on the upside, that is a download option here. You can see this is the download. You can click on the download and you can download the respective version are there, whether it's whether your PC or the computer is your 64 bit or the 32 bits are there. So based on then you can click on either one of them. So once you will click on either 64 or the 32 bits for downloading them. So once you click on here, your file will be downloaded. Once you will download them, then you can open the file, whatever that you can open this exe file depending on the 32 and the 64. Once you click on this, the verification window will appear, that is a UAC called as the user account control. You can allow them, you can click on the yes. After clicking the yes, is another window which is called as the setup. Once if you want to create a desktop icon, you can click on the start icon menu. You can associate the files, then you can checkbox them, otherwise you can uncheck them and click on the install. Once you will click in install, then the installation will be completed. Once install is complete, then since you are clicking on the desktop icon is a yes, so then you can go to the desktop. You can see this icon and it means your installation is complete. So you can click on this link to open this text editor. Your window will appear as here. So this is the first time window once you will see here. So this is the way you can download the or install the WinEdt. How you can install the TeXmaker, that is the second latex editor. Again, you can simply go to the Google and write the TeXmaker here. Otherwise, you can simply go through this link for downloading. How you can use them? You can simply say this is, I can write here as a Google. So you can write here as a TeXmaker. Once you are clicking on the TeXmaker, the first link will appear here. So I can click on the TeXmaker. Now this TeXmaker, you can see that this is a downloading option is there, but you can see here is a button that is a download. You can click on the download. Now based on your, since WinEdt is used only for the window purposes, but here the TeXmaker is used whether you want to use the WinEdt or for the window, whether it's for the Mac, whether it's for the Linux, and many more are there. So if you use the Ubuntu are there, what is a version, Debian and so on, Fedora and so on, you can download them accordingly. If you want to use for the window, whether the window is 7, 8, 10 etc. If you want to use the Mac OS, then you have to use as a 10.13, you can download them. So once you are clicking on this, a file will appear, then again you can click on this and the installation will begin. Another thing is that is called as the after this there are the another this is the way you can download them. This is we discussed. Now let's discuss about the TeXworks. How you can download the TeXworks are there. Again, simply you can write the TeXworks on the Google. You can see the TeXworks is there. The first link will appear here. This is the TeXworks download. So this is you can see the address is there, TUG. So once you are clicking here, you can see this. So this is the TeXworks are there. You can see the getting. So you can click on the TeXworks installer. Now once you are clicking on this TeXworks installer, you will get the downloading file from here. You can see that this is the file. You can download them, the TeXworks and so on. Otherwise, you can also download the TeXworks. You can use them directly from here, getting TeXworks from this. So you can download depending upon the window, depending upon the Mac, Linux are there, you can download from here. Otherwise, once you will download here, I can show you how it appears them. Once you will download here, so the window will appear look like here. So this is the blank window. This is the first time you will see in this case. So once you will how you can see this overleaf are there. So in order to see the overleaf are there, so what you can do is you can simply go to the Google. You can write on the overleaf are here. So overleaf. So once you will click here, you can see that this is the overleaf online text editor. So once you will here, there is a need to the login. So you can firstly register them. Once you will register them, you can see that there is a login ID are there. So this is the same interface as I show you in the TeXmaker are there. Also you can see if you want to share the share latex are there. So you can write the on the Google as a share latex. You can see the first link appear on it, and you can see the share latex is now the part of the overlay. So you have to again go on the overlay feature. Again you have to log in and be registered for the first time here. Now once you will download or download this text editor are there, or called as the latex editor. Now the second thing is about the text are there. What is a text and how you can download them. So what is that, if you want to write something on the latex document, then you must install this text system. So there are the two kind of the text systems are there. One is called as the MiKTeX and second is called as the TeXlib. And both these systems or both these softwares are well for the window, and you can choose them as per your preference are there. But I recommend this MiKTeX for them. Other than these two, MiKTeX and the TeXlib, there are another is there. We will see how we can install them. There are another called as the MiKTeX. So TeXlib is used for the Windows, Linux and the operating system OS, that is for the Mac. MiKTeX is only used for the window, while the MiKTeX is used for the Mac are there. How you can, and all are same or less equivalent in all our cases. So I will show you how you can download this. Firstly the MiKTeX. Then we will show you how you can download this, and then finally for the here. So let's start with firstly how we can download the MiKTeX. And what is the difference between the TeXlive and the MiKTeX? We will firstly see that TeXlive has the advantages of being capable of all the platforms. Why? Because you can see this is a Windows, Linux, operating system, X, Macs all are there, and thus it has a better community supports is there. On the other hand, MiKTeX has the advantages of only for the Windows, but MiKTeX has also distribute a free packages, but the TeXlive will not be provided that few free packages are there. So that's why the MiKTeX will be better option for the rather than the TeXlive are there. But whatever you want to install, that's depending upon your choice. I always recommend to use the full installation. How you can install the MiKTeX and how you can install the TeXlive. So if you are using the Windows, then how you can use that TeXlive? You can simply go to this website. I can show you how you can use them. So you can simply go to this TeXlive. You can simply, I can go to the TeXlive. The first live appear here, TeXlive are here. Again you can click on the download are here. Once you are clicking on the download, you can see this is a button called as the install TeX window. You can see once you are clicking on this link, there is a install tlwindow.exe, or you can download install tl window if you are working on the Windows side. So you can click on this, the file will download them. So once you are clicking on this, then you can run this file and simply go to the next and so on. You will get the installation. On the other hand, how you can click on the MiKTeX, how you can download the MiKTeX and install, you can click on this link. Otherwise what you can do is you can simply go to the Google and simply write the here as a MiKTeX. Then the first link will appear, there is a MiKTeX here. Once you are clicking here, you can see there is a download option here. So you can click on the download, and based on the window, if you are using the window, you can download them. If you are using the Mac, you can download them. If you are using the Linux, you can download from here, and Ubuntu or so on. The process are describing here how you can download. If you are using the window, you can download this. Once you are clicking, this is a 128 and this is 64 are there, so you can download them. Once you are clicking on this download, then you can whatever that you have downloaded, you can click on them. Once you will clicking on this, we will see how we can download, how we can install. Otherwise you can use the TeXlive also. You can download the TeXlive even from here. This TeXlive you can see is used for the Linux, so you can click on the MiKTeX also. You can click on the Linux and you can register this, or you can download them based on this here. So once you are clicking also you can use them all the downloads. You can use them for the 64. You can see in case of the window, this is 64 only, but if your PC or window is 32-bit, you can use them for the MiKTeX 64 or the 32 installer for the 32 or the 64 are there. You can use them, or the MiKTeX source code are here. Anyhow, once you are clicking on this software, you can click on them. This MiKTeX window will appear. You can click on the firstly link here. You can checkbox them, that is I accept all the condition. You can click on the next here. Once you will click on the next window will appear as the scope. You can click whether you want to use only for me or for the anyone. So I always prefer use only for you. That is, since the PC is your own, so you can click only me and then click on the next. Once you click on next, you have to use the directory where you want to install. So you can, by default it will be appear here. You can change them by clicking on this window. So once you will set the path, you can click on the next. Once it will be here, you can set the setting, whatever the preferable size. By default is a A4, and ask me first always if you want to install some packages, and you can click on the next and you can review the setting. This is the path where you want to install. You have to install only for the current user, that is only for you. This is the A4 size and so on. If you want to change them, you can go back. If you are satisfied with your settings, you can click to the start. So once you can click on the start, this file will be appear here. So once it will be complete, the next button will appear. Click on this next button, your installation will be completed. So once you will see here, then this window will appear, will show you the finish MiKTeX install. So you can click on the close. Once you will click on here, Then after this text installation, that is a MiKTeX will install, you can restart your WinEdit. Why? There is no need to restart your PC, but you have to close the WinEdit and click on this WinEdit, the icon which is appear on your desktop. It will automatically detect your MiKTeX are here. Once you will click on this WinEdit, this window will appear again. Now how you can create a blank document? You can simply click on this button are here. Once you will click here, this you can see here is firstly the gray color window will appear. Once you will click on here, this black window will appear and you can create the file name. How you can create the file name? You can simply write this here. For example, I can write here the begin document, end document, document class article. You can write this document, and once you will click on this button, or either you can click on this button. This button will give you the PDF file. So once you will click on this button, it will be output here as a hello world. You can see whatever you have written here, that is a hello world, this will appear as this one. So if you want to, I can show you how you can use them on the TeXworks. I can show you like here. If you want to increase the font size, I can show you here. So if I write for you here as begin document, firstly you have to write here as document class article, and then you have to write here as begin document and end document. So whatever you have to write in between them, say hello. So whatever you have to written here, so it will be, now you can run this file by clicking here. So firstly you have to save this file. So I can save this file on the on the desktop. So this is the saving. You can see the file is saved as here, that is a WinEdit 1. Now once I will click on here, so you can see this window will appear. This is a window you can see on the here. So once you will click on this output window, so I can see, now you can see the hello will be appear here. So whatever you want to write here, so whatever this is there, you can save them, you can run this file, you can get the output as this one. So this is the way you can install and run the file on it. So we will see in the next class how we can write the text and the equations, or like this way, how you can write the text and equation in the Latex. So I will put up all this link in the description part. You can simply click on this and then run the file. Till then, you can simply follow this link for finding the more updated video. Best of luck students. Happy learning.